Well, here we're looking at GLD and we're seeing it do really well today, up another percent on the day, hitting the 110 level. Now, this is important. We see this downward trend. You see the line coming in. It's really showing still a kind of a triangle. Bear with me. I'm sorry. I'm just loss of words there for a second. You could see we're really in corrective type of scenarios. You could see it really just making sense as it starts to come in here. We could start to see this pullback, or it tries to make that break to the upside. Now, I've been very bullish on gold. Everyone knows it. But I also am a realist too, that, time of sometimes getting out of these is when you're making your money, and you start to see this kind of turn around. I think tomorrow gives us a great opportunity, because either we're going to really start to see it weaken, or we'll see a big breakout to the upside, where we'll see the extension of the stock. So you watch for either one, and what you could do is, if you see a real weakness, then you start to sell, and you're selling near the top, or at least for the short term, of some of these issues that we're in. And then if it starts to break out, we just let them run for the day toward the close, and then we start to exit on close, or very close to that. So that's the game plan for me. I'm going to be putting a lot of these on the board to sell, because we had great entries, and we really have been locking in some great returns. So it doesn't make sense to kind of marry all of them. But that doesn't mean that I'm not going to get back into some of these issues again as soon as the time makes sense. If it starts to break up and above this 110 into this 112, I'm going to buy probably on the next dip, pull back into the 110 level, and then try to go long. But I want to make sure we're not seeing this kind of sideways action for a little while, and miss some of this nice little bounce that we're getting in gold.